Okay, we're back with my NeXT color turbo cube dimension, and we're going to play with the Daydream. If you don't know what that is, it was a way to run original macOS on the NeXT because they were both running 68K processors. So the only thing the NeXT didn't have is the Mac ROM. Well, this company decided to make this box, which I'll show you here in a second, that you plug into the back of the NeXT, and also some software that you can run to reboot the NeXT into a Mac. So hold on and I'll show you the box. This is the Daydream box, top. This is the bottom. Basically, this has a Macintosh LC-ROM in it, and it plugs into the DSP port, which is a special digital signal processing port on the back of the NeXT. So I'm going to pause and plug that in, and then we'll boot it up. Okay, as you can see on the NeXT, there is this Daydream.app that I installed from the Daydream install floppy disk long time ago, and set up to go. So we should just be able to double click on that. And up there, you can create a disk file. Let me get down here and use the NeXT floppy drive to actually install macOS 7, 6, those kind of versions on there, but I've already done it, so I'm just gonna hit go. The machine will reboot. Make sure you have saved all your work, okay? Takes a little bit, I guess. I forgot how long this takes. Man, there we go. So it's booting a Daydream kernel. Oh, it's going over here on the black and white screen. I don't know if the Daydream can use the dimension board. So if you had the Daydream on a NeXT station slab that had built-in color on the motherboard, maybe that would work. Oh, now it turned back the color one and went, okay, yeah, it does work on both. I forgot, it's been a long time since I've used this. So it's booting up macOS. And since this NeXT has a 68040 processor with the FPU, this is kind of like running it on a Quadra 900, 950, I believe. So here we go. There we go. macOS 755 I put on here. Oh, it's still mounting all the other partitions I have it where it can do macOS 6.8, macOS 701 Professional, macOS 713, macOS 761. And macOS 8.1, so just like a Quadra, yeah. All right, I'm not going to boot all those different ones. The 755 is probably the most popular and fastest one that would run on this. It sees all 128 megabytes of RAM that the NeXT has. Can use the CD-ROM drive and the floppy. I'm not sure if it works with the Ethernet networking that's built into the NeXT, but probably the sound works. But anyway, there's your macOS 755 running on a NeXT.